Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Optima guys. You need to remove or replace engine starter, or you want to know where it's located. Stay with us, we'll explain that guys. We'll be demonstrating on a 2.4 GDI engine and we'll explain guys how to do that in today's video. So this should work on Kia Optima guys, generation 2010 all the way to year 2015-16 with a 2.4 GDI engine guys. If you have one of those, it will cover that. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart and we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. If you need to buy tools, parts for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So this right here guys, it's a 2.4 GDI engine. As you can see, we have the intake manifold removed and now things that you need to follow guys. Let's start on the safety thing, okay? First, because you can cause damage to the electrical system yourself, set your car on fire. So let's explain what we're talking about. Disconnect the car battery before you start doing anything. Why? Because this is your engine starter guys, and you have a 12-volt wire coming from the car battery to here and one going to the alternator, and if you touch it with a tool or something to the engine which is ground, you will see sparks flying, you can short things out and you can cause damage to the electrical system. Number two, on these modern cars it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect and reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can cause damage to the electrical system and the computers. How we know that? Okay, we did it in the past unfortunately. So we have a special video that explains which battery terminal to disconnect first, and I'll put the link in the description of the video below. Next, you need to remove your intake manifold. If you don't know guys, some of you, how to do that, we have the step-by-step instruction, okay, video how to remove intake manifold on our channel. So just search for intake manifold removal on Kia Optima. Once you do that, that's your engine starter right here guys. It's located on the engine block towards the transmission side, because that's where the flywheel will be located. We need to disconnect the signal wire and we need to disconnect the positive 12-volt wire. Make sure the car battery is disconnected again, because you touch that wire to a metal engine anywhere, that can be a big trouble guys. You may burn fuses, cause damage to the electrical system, even the engine computer. Perfect. Now that starter guys attaches to the transmission and engine block with only 2 bolts, and these 2 bolts you will access them, okay, from this back side. And if you look at it guys, okay, it will be okay, let us show you now, okay, where the bolts are located. Okay, we're trying to show you. You can see that's one of the starter bolts, okay. It will be one of the starter bolts right here on the back side and one down there, you can see it. So we access them with a 14mm socket. They might be really tight, okay, one of them is coming loose. So we'll go ahead and remove those, and then after that we should have one more on the bottom. Okay, perfect, this is the bottom one. Now I will hold it because it will start hanging and you can put pressure on the bolt to where it will be hard to actually remove guys. So perfect, now we can probably unscrew them by hand at that point. Okay, it's getting there slowly but surely, right? So it's almost out on one of the bolts. They're pretty long bolts guys, because they go all the way from the transmission through the engine block and they bolt to the engine starter practically. So that's quite a bit guys, quite a bit of distance to cover. Okay, let's show the bolt. That's how long it is. Now let's remove the top one. So that's the only one left now. Okay, I'll try to leave the starter to where we find a sweet spot so it's not hanging on the bolt itself. Okay. No. Okay. Almost getting out here as well. That's the second bolt, guys. Okay, and the starter is loose and it's coming out. That's how you remove it. If you want to see how to test it, we have a special video how to test starter on Kia, guys. Check it out and it will teach you how to do that. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. If you need to purchase one, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.